Today we have a 2015 Mitsubishi Outlander Sport, 17,000 miles, clean auto check, 30-day balance warranty. Look. It does have the chrome outline, big Mitsubishi grille on the front. Has a chrome back high definition headlights. 17-inch tire and wheel combination. Got Nexons on there with alloy rims. Interior is black on black. Split buckets in the front, cloth seats. Black carpeting on the floor. Do have some chrome trim on the door panels to break up some of the color. Rear seating is bench style seat. Just quite a bit of space back there for being a smaller SUV. Around the back, show you the badging. Mitsubishi Outlander Sport, 4-wheel drive. Does have the rear defrost, rear wiper. Has a satellite radio antenna mounted up there on the roof. See, it does have a nice little hatch in there, quite a bit of space. Do have some cubbies on the side there for storage. There's a nice rubber floor mat to keep your carpet clean. And look under there, you have your jack, you have your tools, and your spare tire in case you get a flat. Those back seats do fold forward if you need a little extra cargo space in the back to haul something bigger. See your power locks, windows and mirrors are on the driver's side door. Inside you'll see the traction control, the info button for your display screen, and your headlight controls. On the other side you have your windshield wipers front and rear. Current mileage is 17,924. On your steering wheel you have your audio settings, you have your voice recognition, telephone settings, and your cruise control. You have some wood grain trim that goes around your stereo, AM, FM, CD, along with satellite radio. Down below that you have your heating and air conditioning controls, automatic transmission selector, 4-wheel drive button, cup holders, e-brake. You do have a nice deep center console. You have power source in there, 12 volt. So you can see it is nice and clean inside. No odors, no tears. We'll go ahead and start the engine. I'll give you a look under the hood. It's nice and clean underneath there. As for the engine, you get the 2.0 liter 4-cylinder MIVEC engine. It's a pretty good little engine for Mitsubishi. Expect to get around 30 miles per gallon highway out of that motor and around 23, 24 miles around town, depending on your driving habits, of course. The last thing I am going to do on this video is give you one last walk around and see if we can find any imperfections or blemishes. Try to be pretty upfront about that stuff, so in case you're interested in coming out to take a look at it, if you watch this video you'll know exactly what you're coming out to see. Couple little tiny scrapes on the top of the back bumper, which is a pretty common place to have a scrape or two. People loading and unloading things. Other than that, it's actually a pretty nice, clean little Outlander. If you're in the market for one of these and wanted to come and take a look or set up a test drive, salespeople here would be happy to help you. Give us a call, 717-485-4224, or you can look us up on our website, www.thomasata.com.